Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting online tutorial, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a twist front turban. Okay, and my name is Adiola, creative director Alluredbyruby, and I'm so excited to join you in this tutorial. So basically you'll be needing few items, which is the raw silk fabric, my matching thread, hand sewing needle, scissors, and my measuring tape. Welcome back. I have my fabric right here to be 26 inches by 30. Okay, this is 30 inches long right here. So the length is 30 inches and the width actually, this is the wideness. Okay, this is the depth of the turban is 30 inches and the head circumference is 26 inches. Don't forget, raw silk is not stretchy, and we're going to be doing a tie back for this turban. And my band is a round front and it's actually 4 inches. Can you see? 4 inches by 26 also. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and attach my band this way by folding. Don't forget the right side of your fabric. This is the wrong side facing each other. I need my right side up this way. Okay, and for this fabric also, this is my head circumference side, and I'm going to go ahead and attach my band quickly this way. This way, just go ahead and attach the band to my fabric. After joining my band, this is my band right here. Okay, I decided to flip it with the right side facing each other, and I just sew straight down until I left like 2 inches right here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this inside out for you to see how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks right now, and then I'm going to go to my loop. Okay, so after joining the back of my turban straight down, I just used my needle and thread to pleat it this way till I got to the end. Okay, that's how you have this part. And don't forget, I left the 2 inches part here. Okay, so at this point I have my leftover fabric right here, and this leftover fabric is the full length of the fabric. All right, and it's the width right now is about 22 inches wide. Okay, 22 inches wide by the full length of the fabric. So I'm going to insert this fabric into this leftover hole right here, this 2 inches hole that I left open. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and insert it carefully and bring it out to the front of my turban. Okay, so that's basically how I'm going to make this simple turban. Okay, can you see? So this is going to form like my loop. So I'm turning this inside out for you to see how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and twist this. Okay, just like I'm doing normal twisting. So I'm going to go ahead and twist it this way, and then when I'm done twisting, I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, so after I've put my fabric in between the 2 inches hole right here, I twisted it. Okay, and I got to this part. So at the back of my turban, I opened it up, the band part, and then I put the edge of this twist in between. Okay, this is actually a pin I'm using to hold in it. I'm just going to go ahead and sew it this way to secure it. All right, welcome back. So I've secured it properly, and like I said, that raw silk is non-stretchy. Okay, so we want to attach a tie back to it such that you can tie it to make it firm on your head. So I'm going to be attaching this one to the left hand side this way, and the other one to the right hand side this way, such that by the time I want to tie this, I can easily go ahead and tie it to my own head size.